How to learn when Hilton Honors points post after a stay. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Hilton Honor points, you earn base points and bonus points. For the base points, you will earn when you stay at any of their hotels and resort. Base points don't count toward tier qualification as well. And for the bonus point, it earn up to 120 in bonus points on every stay depending on your tier status, and earn bonus points when you use Hilton Honors credit card or shop with their partners. Also, bonus points does not appear. Also, when will points post after a stay? So points typically post to your Hilton Honors account within 24 hours after checkout from your stay, and past hotel stays may take longer. And also up to 5 business days for inside North America. And for the missing points, you can email priority letter at hilton.com or contact their customer representative as well. And also, your Hilton Honor points expire after 24 consecutive months of inactivity as well. And this is how to learn when Hilton Honor points post after a stay. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.